Hi, I'm Meetali Mukherjee, the Managing Director of HYDAX Private Limited, and have been at this role for a little over 2 decades. Incidentally, my father was among the first three hydraulic engineers employed in India. So there's a lot of legacy that was carried on to us. I started work very early at the age of 18, and so I had stint in many places, from an NGO to a proper corporate multinational company. And all of that gave me the kind of bandwidth to come into HYDAX and bring all of those kind of myriad experiences over here. As a company in the MSME sector, one has to do a lot of things, to go out, to meet customers, suppliers. And in that experience, one saw that despite the pedigree of education and position, there were many people who were not used to the idea of having women out there talking to them. One has to slowly get used to that idea. So have more and more women at your workplace. So the idea becomes the norm. So what do we do to enable this disruption? Couple of things that we can work towards. I would say to the women, be yourself. Don't curb your innate wishes, behavior, mannerisms just to fit the norm. Unless you go out there and express what you feel, whether you're offended or there's something that is not as per what your aspirations are, you need to go out there and speak about it so that the people know. As far as the men are concerned, it's no longer about men, women. It's no longer binary definitions. It's a very gender fluid society these days. So please be more accepting of all the different people in the spectrum who you come across. Let's keep disrupting until it's the new norm.